Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw sriram with color pencils, and today is his birthday, so happy birthday sriram. And this video is going to be epic, so sit back and enjoy this video, my friends. And friends, as we passed 2k subscribers, it's been so great, and thank you so much for your love. Keep on supporting, there is a way more to go. And friends, I have a good news for you. The next giveaway is on the way, and for this I'm going to draw 10 people, and I'll be posting a separate video today regarding that. And please stay tuned and do watch it and participate in the giveaway, man. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And friends, after watching this video, you know what to do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family who love the drawings and who love sriram, sir. And that's it, friends. Enjoy this video. And this is the drawing, my friends. I hope you like it, and if you like this drawing and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family, and stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be the announcement for giveaway. And friends, I hope you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and support my work. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa